So, hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind, this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The roles can be reversed also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. It's life changing. I'm doing it from a very long time now, so it's completely you know life changing. Let's see, Virgo, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what's happening. We have the Seven of Pentacles. So someone here is in this waiting and watching kind of a mode. They feel like they should just watch this situation from a distance, okay, for something to happen in the situation. Let me clarify the Seven of Pentacles. We have the Nine of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, the Four of Wands. So someone here is feeling very hurt regarding the idea of commitment. So there's a commitment that you guys had or you were planning to have with somebody, right? And this person is feeling like very hurt because things didn't work out the way they wanted, and now they feel like they should work on this commitment factor, but not right now, because right now they are too hurt to do anything about this situation. Maybe for some of you, this person got married to somebody else or got committed to somebody else, and they are very hurt by this decision of theirs, and they feel like they should talk to you about it, but not right now. And for some of you, this person is feeling like working on this commitment with you, but again, not right now. They feel like they should take a step back, evaluate the situation from a distance, and then think about it. I have a pimple on my lips. I don't know if you ever get this. I don't know how people get pimple on the lips. Anyways, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Five of Wands. You feel like this is a very conflicting situation. There is a lot of chaos. There's a lot of drama. There's a lot of conflict in the situation. Right. So whenever you think about this situation, there's a lot of drama here. Let me clarify the Five of Wands. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, the Knight of Swords. So you feel very anxious whenever you feel like you should connect with this person. You feel very anxious, and sometimes you feel like you should just talk to this person, even if it is going to lead to conflict or fight or chaos. So you feel like clearing the air with this person somehow, but at the same time you feel like this is too much drama or too much chaos. So you feel like you should just not do that because it's giving you a lot of anxiety. Even the thought of going to connecting with this person is giving you some kind of anxiety. So you feel like just for the time being maybe stay away or something. Yeah, but you have this energy of feeling like you should do something about it as fast as you can. At the same time, you're too anxious to do anything about it. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Five of Swords. See, their intention is to let go of the stressful energy, let go of the drama, the chaos, the fight, and the ego, the manipulations. This is a very stressful energy. This is a very stressful situation between you guys, and both of you are very hurt. Let's see what let's clarify the Five of Swords here. God, this is distracting the hell out of me. We have the Hermit, the Seven of Swords, and the Six of Cups. This person wants to talk to you about some kind of betrayal, some kind of deceit, deceptiveness that they did with you. Okay, one of you was still connected to somebody else when you guys were together. Yeah, and it's the thing of the past now. But this person definitely wants to clear the air with you regarding some kind of betrayal that they did with you, maybe with the past person that they were already connected to before you. Maybe you are the one betrayed them. I don't know. But this person thinks a lot about talking to you about this betrayal that happened in the situation between you and them, considering this situation with you as a soul connection still. God, it's a very very complicated situation. It's actually giving me some kind of what should I say, heavy energies. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? One of you messed it up completely. One of you betrayed one person here, definitely. You want to collaborate with this person. You want to, what we call that, you want to participate in the situation. You are ready to put in the effort and energy, equal give and take of energy. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Pentacles. But because of this deceptiveness, this betrayal, none of you is going none of you is doing anything about it. What is happening, Virgo? You guys tell me. We have the Two of Wands, the Eight of Wands, and Three of Cups. See, you are ready to collaborate with this person. You just want to wait for the right time when either they are going to open up to you and connect with you themselves, and or you will be able to connect with them. Maybe you are going to take help. You want to take help from somebody who can help you guys to connect with each other and talk to each other. Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Seven of Swords, Nine of Wands, Five of Swords, Five of Wands. Other people are also involved in the situation, and or they were. 1000%. Now, this other people can be romantic third parties. It can be family. It can be anything. But one of you betrayed the other person here in some way, and they're not able to get over that. And you want to talk to this person a lot, back and forth communication you want to have with them, so that you can sort it out with them and you guys can collaborate. Wow. Take it how it resonates with you. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind because it's a mutual couple reading. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 2nd of March. Virgo. Ten of Cups. Okay. Ten of Cups. Let me clarify this before saying anything to you. We have the Page of Wands, the Page of Swords, the Justice. Somebody is coming forward towards you with this kind of energy of, can we start over again from scratch? Can we start from scratch? Virgo, either you are going towards somebody. If you are the one who messed up, you are going to be there and connect with them and talk to them openly and honestly about what next. If they are the one who messed up, they might open up to you. There are very good chances of a restart in a situation where one of you messed up big time. So basically, karma is going to play its role, and some kind of karmic justice is coming on the way for you guys. If you are the one who messed up, be ready to face the karma. If they are the one who messed up, be ready to get some kind of communication, energy of talking to you, energy of reconnecting with you. Even if it is going to work out or not, but they will try their best to reconnect and sort it out with you. And they see a future with you, by the way. So take it how it resonates with you. If you are the one who messed up, be ready to face the karma. If they are the one, be ready to face them. For you, the guidance here is the Ace of Cups. Okay, keep your heart chakra open. Even if they are the one who messed up, try to forgive them. Try to understand that we all are humans and we have this tendency of messing things up. Even if you are not going to be with this person for the rest of your life, or you are going to say goodbye to them, or you are just not completely going to open up with them, whatever. Try to forgive and forget and move ahead. It's going to give you the peace, for your own sanity, for your own happiness. Forgive this person and listen to them with all of your heart and soul. And if you are the one who messed up, ask for forgiveness with all of your heart and soul. And then whatever is going to happen next, it's going to happen anyways, right? So, but keep your heart open, keep your energies open. Be in the compassionate and loving and nurturing kind of energy instead of blame games and trying to find who's at fault and who is not and blah blah blah. Yeah, that's the deal from. So all this crap is kind of like teaching you how to connect with your heart chakra, how to connect with your heart and soul more and more, and how to be compassionate and loving towards yourself first and then towards others, and forgiveness plus forgiveness. Yeah. Wow, it was a very very difficult reading. I need a lot of thumbs up. I need you guys to share this reading as much as possible, because first time in my life, I'm might be first time in 5 years I'm saying anybody to share this reading, because maybe somebody wants it. I don't know. It just came out of my mind. Took a lot of energy. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.